Oh, I guess I should have said Orange County, California.
We're live from Orange County, California, getting ready to watch the SpaceX launch of a Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Air Force Base. Vandenberg is over 200 miles away, but because it's sunset, we should have a great view of the contrail across the sky.
Yeah.
So we're in a park, just wait and see.
So it should be probably like flying from here and then going this direction. We can look right now.
About 2 minutes.
You can see they're preparing the rockets. We're just waiting. See if I can. There we go. Focus.
Stage 2 is closed out.
So typically it'll launch and then it'll take like 20 to 30 seconds before we'll see it, because it's got to get high enough that the contrail hits the sun.
How much time do we have before it's supposed to launch at 7:20?
We are within like a minute.
You can see that.
This is the SpaceX feed.
Live feed, right?
Yeah. So you're watching a live feed of a live feed.
So we're waiting at a park, waiting to view the rocket, the Falcon 9 rocket. Should be launching within the next couple of minutes, if they can get it to launch.
We're less than 1 minute from launch.
Is there a countdown on?
Yeah. 15.
All right. I don't know if you could see that very well. Let's see if I can.
Falcon 9 Falcon, go for launch and landing.
To go, that means there's no obstacles in the way, which is great.
Double tap to flip camera. Should I do that, or should I just keep it?
Well, then this was just that way.
I guess
they don't
so.
need to see us. It's too dark out here. T-minus 20 seconds and counting.
And we were just gonna stay home at our apartment and not get a good view, but I decided to come out to this park.
Here we go.
Oh.
10,
9,
8. So
7,
keep looking that way, folks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff.
So we cleared the tower.
Just cleared the tower.
Ooh, look how clear it was at Vandenberg.
Rolling. I'm like, oh, is that it? No, that's definitely not longer distance. I think we're pointing in the right direction. Last time we thought we were, and we were kind of off a little bit.
And we've got a great view though from north to. So it looks
Well, you know, the curvature of the Earth.
5 kilometers up.
You are looking at the Falcon 9 rocket as it ascends through the atmosphere, carrying the Falcon 1A satellite to low Earth orbit. Right now, the vehicle is passing through max Q, which is the point of maximum aerodynamic pressure on the
See,
Earth.
where is it?
The vehicle actually
Should
propels
be
itself down
somewhere over here.
Oh, is that it?
See it?
Or no, that's another plane.
That's an aeroplane.
Ah.
Psych.
Oh, is that it right there?
There it is.
There it is.
There it is.
Right there. So we were kind of wrong on like where we thought we were gonna hit. See?
Looks like it's pretty bright.
It is. Trying to focus. Where'd it go? I lost it. Oh, there it is. See, zoom in a little bit more. There we go.
There's the contrail starting to get lit up.
Yep. It's kind of cloudy over here. So I probably went through some clouds, so I think I might lose it if it Oh, okay. I see it come out of the cloud. I could barely see it with my naked eye. I'm trying to see if I could.
There we go. Here comes the light show, folks.
There it is. There it is. Look at that. Wow. All right. Look at whoa. So beautiful.
So the interesting thing is the left is the one that's going to space, and the right is going to be the rocket that's going to actually go back down to where it was to land.
Automatically, right? It's guided.
Yeah, it's actually gonna go land exactly where it was.
We're watching from a park in Irvine. It's just down the street from where we live. Do you know? And there's like nobody else out here. I thought there would be more people out here, like going to watch the rocket, but I guess not. I mean, you'll have the people from the park just looking at it because they probably didn't know that there was going to be a launch today. Wow. Science. See, look. That's pretty amazing. So where's this rocket going to go, Josh?
Space.
But what's it for?
It's an Argentinian satellite that is going to do Earth mapping.
It's pretty amazing. So bright. I'm sure everybody now is like, what's that in the sky? Oh my gosh. Like they did the last time. There was people.
Well, I think this actually is
freaking out.
way more impressive than last time. Although the last one had more bubbles from our perspective, but this is kind of like the whole thing. So can you see the burns of the? I should turn on the audio.
Yeah, you should.
For those of you just joining us, we did have a
There it is. Let's see. And if you're wondering, this is being done on an iPhone XS Max. Whoa, almost lost it. I was looking at the colorful stuff. Let's see.
I can't tell if that other one's landing or if it's already gone down.
Yeah, because I didn't see it when.
I think it's still trying to come back down.
So for those of you just
Oh, there it is. There's the rocket that's the other rocket that's. Sorry, I'm trying to get up all this.
No, it's back. There it goes.
There it is. Zoom out a little bit.
No, it's actually pretty light.
Yeah, now can't see anymore. Let's go back. There it is. There's the rockets. This is the Falcon 9 rocket that was launched from Vandenberg.
About 7 minutes ago.
Seeing the sun is now below the horizon, we can see much more.
The audio that you can hear is the live feed from
That's going to happen at
who's actually doing it?
13 seconds. So coming up almost in about 5 seconds now.
How far?
There it is. That's the start of the landing turn.
What's it doing now?
They're landing the first stage back at Vandenberg Air Force Base, or attempting to.
That Falcon 9 first stage should
No, we didn't hear the
ground
sound
just
boom.
about in 5 seconds. So let's watch as it attempts to land.
We're like, how many miles away?
Like over 200 miles away.
Yeah, we're over 200 miles away from Vandenberg.
And it appears that the Falcon 9 first stage has just stuck the landing at LZ4 Vandenberg Air Force Base. This is great news for everyone here at SpaceX. Reminder that this is the first time we've ever landed a rocket first stage back at Vandenberg Air Force Base. Great news for everyone here. We're all extremely excited. Like I said, most of our team is at the launch site right now, and they must be out of their minds. So,
I bet.
awesome.
The last time they had it, a lot of people were wondering what it was, because not a lot of people know that they launched the rockets. So I don't know how much further this is going to go, like how much further we'll be able to see it with our eyes.
Well, it'll go. It'll keep.
But
We'll see
this
it
is
till
what
it goes
it-
down
this
to the
is what-
ground.
See, it's like that small light from Irvine Park. But of course, with our eyes, it's still huge, still bright. Oh, keep losing it. Okay. There it is. And it was just announced that the rocket that split from it landed successfully back at
Vandenberg.
Vandenberg. I was like, I totally forgot the name. Yeah. So, you could almost, well, yeah, you could see the bluish. And it's starting to barely see anything now. Huh? Well, that was pretty amazing.
Yeah, that was great.
Well, that was excitement for the night. Thank you to all those viewers that were able to witness that as well. That's the end of this broadcast. Thanks.